Hi, this is Calvin C. I will show you how the final loading action of cups and balls is done. This is how I work it out, but this is not the only way to do it. And by the way, everybody's doing it like I'm doing because I observe other people. I just work it out because there's not much material out there showing you each element of how this is done. So I will not only show you how one particular loading action is done, I will show you how I work it out strategically. So when the props are not placed exactly where you wanted them to be, you can still do the final load. You can still improvise with your body and the relative positions. All right. So there are three steps. The first one is the starting point. The starting point, I define it as when your hand goes into your pocket to put down, to leave a small ball there, and you have your load ready, and that is the onset. All right. The other hand could be reaching out in front of you or on your left, or you are really revealing something. That is onset. Okay. And the other concept, the second concept, is the endpoint. Endpoint is where you take out the ball or the fruit or the onion, and then the cup, the opening of the cup will meet the ball, and when the two meet, then that is the endpoint. And you have to set a target, whether it is going to be here or to be here or anywhere. So you're going to let them travel, bang, okay? So with these 2 points, you are going to with these 3 points, you are going to have some moves. The 5 moves, the 2 in the 5 moves that I'm about to show you is really easy to understand. One is to take out the load. This hand, take out the load, okay? You can't really tell whether I'm taking out my hand or taking out the load. Alright, don't stick out your elbow like this. No one likes that. You will always stick out the elbow, but if you stick it out behind you, no one can see. So this is the first thing. The other thing is the control of tension. If you can control the tension of your left hand or the cup hand, then you can manipulate the audience attention. Okay, tension leads to attention. Tension and relax. On beat, off beat. So without the cup, it's gonna look like this. Okay, this is relaxed. This is tension, relaxed. Tension, relaxed. Then that is the endpoint. So you may realize that even with these 2 moves, tension, relaxed, down, up, there's a gap here. And they are not at the same endpoint. What do? We need 3 more things to close the gap. So the first one is this. Shift the center of your body to left hand, left foot, and then right foot, left foot, right foot. You see, if these are my these tennis balls are my side pockets, I'm manipulating their positions. So if one of my hand is there, see, when I take it out, it's gonna move left and right, and even diagonally. See, okay, and I can actually make this side pocket becomes my back pocket. Is this familiar to you? If you do coin magic, all right, or if you do stage work. Alright, so you can do this. Another thing you can do is to lower your body. This usually is done in the at the on beat when you review something. Wow, there's a ball. So lower, review, up. So this is one of the things you can do. The other one is steps. Actually, one step. I draw a triangle like this, and this is one side, this is the other side of the triangle, and there is a point right behind my right foot. Let me put a board there. Alright, so there's a board there, and we always hear the master say, take a step back when you do the final load. What does it mean? It means you take a step back like this. Like this. What you do is that you will close a gap between the two hands. See? This side of my body is actually pulling my hand towards the other hand when they are relaxed. Alright? So did I cover the 3 points? Alright, the first left, right, turn, lower the body, and then you can do this. Alright, so let me show you 3 ways that you can do the final load. The first one is like this. You reach to your left when you take out this hand. Put them together, but you don't bring it like this. This is unnatural. Just take a step back. Alright, I stand here. Take a step back. So the load is done, okay? So the other one, maybe you can do it this way. I suppose you're standing like this, okay? Putting the weight on your right foot, and then lower the body. This will allow you to put attention on the cup on your left. And as you come up, you bring your hip along with the loaded ball up to here when you relax the other hand. This is the end point. And you move the body to the left and say gesture and say something. Okay, one more time. There's a ball. So the third way that I can think of, you may think about other ways, is that suppose I have a ball on my side pocket, but when I turn this, it becomes my back pocket position. So when I reach into it and I get a cup in front of me and do the review, you can see there's a great distance here, but the big action will cover the smaller action. Okay, you can't really tell from a distance what I'm doing. This is the end point. You can actually combine the moves if you like, then you can have a better effect. Alright, so this is how I do the loading action of cups and balls. 3 steps: onset, endpoint, and what's in between. The loading hand, the relaxed hand, which does the bigger action, and how you close the gaps, okay? So thanks for watching this video. Go to the blog and there's an article about this. If you skip that, it's fine. Just take a look at the things that you like. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.